Welcome to my channel. In this video I am going to show how to fix apps not downloading and installing in Microsoft Store. Follow my steps. Right-click Time. Click Adjust Date and Time. Set the time automatically. Scroll down. Click Sync Now. Click Language and Region Settings. Set your region. Close window. Click Search bar and type Update. Click Check for updates. Click Check for updates. Wait. After completed, click Close and restart your PC. If that didn't work, click Search bar and type Troubleshoot Settings. Click Troubleshoot Settings. Click Other Troubleshooters. Scroll down and run Windows Store apps. Wait. After completed, click Close. If that didn't work, click Search bar and type Programs. Click Add or Remove Programs. Type Microsoft Store. Go to the Advanced options. Scroll down. Click Repair. And click Reset. Close window. Click Search bar and type WS Reset. Run command. Wait. If that didn't work, Restart your PC. Problem solved. Subscribe.